News overseas now. U.S. President Donald Trump has said he no longer plans to impose tariffs on European countries that had opposed his ambitions for the U.S. to acquire Greenland. In a social media post, Trump said his decision followed a very productive meeting with NATO. According to Trump, the proposed deal would be a major win for the United States of America and all NATO nations. Trump said more information would be made available as discussions progress. NATO has not confirmed the outcome of that meeting. Early on Wednesday, Mr. Trump told the World Economic Forum in Switzerland that he would not use military force but wanted immediate talks to secure ownership of the territory, which he insists is vital for U.S. national security. And the primetime news package continues with sports right after the break.